Drift Above is brought to you by Subaru of New England.
And now, Subaru of New England takes us above the lakes, waterways, wildlife, and seashores that we so enjoy. Now we drift above Oak Bluffs Harbor on Martha's Vineyard, a vibrant stretch of water where island charm meets nautical tradition. Cutting across the water is a boat that turns heads, not just because of how it looks, but because of what it represents. This is Orca, a jaw-dropping, painstakingly accurate recreation of the iconic shark-hunting vessel from Jaws, brought back to life by Michael Sterling. From the classic lines of her wooden hull to the vintage barrels and era-authentic details, Michael didn't just build a boat, he resurrected a legend. Drift above more of our amazing coast at driftsociably.com and at Drift Sociably on social media.